Hi everyone, welcome to what I'm prepping today. What I have here is two 40-ounce jars of Jif, and I got all of this from Sam's Club. Normally it's $9.48, and this month it was $2.50 off for a grand total of $6.98 for two 40-ounce jars of Jif peanut butter. They also had the crunchy, but I just get the creamy. Sometimes I get the crunchy, but very rarely. Then the Ritz crackers. This is a 3-pound, 13.65 ounce box, almost 4 pounds, and 18 packs. It's $8.68 online, $8.98 in the store, which is unusual. Things are sometimes more expensive online. And it was $2 off this month, so I paid $6.68 because I had it shipped. And what I want to do is, I know that these will last if you seal them in a jar. I actually want to seal some in Mylar, hope they don't get crushed, and open them in a year and see if they last in Mylar as well, just because it'll be an experiment, and I've never tried that with Ritz crackers. Another thing I got, I like these Premier Protein drinks. And if you're on a keto diet, these are actually keto. So I can use this as a meal, even following keto. And we love the banana and the chocolate. The caramel, not so much. But normally these are $17.42, and they were $4 off. So they were $13.42. The last time I tried to get these shipped, they wanted more to ship them, and this time they didn't, so I got it shipped. The other thing I got is more pepper, because we love pepper. This is the ground pepper. It looks like a table grind. It's pretty big, and I won't put this in Mylar. Normally for long-term storage I'll only do the peppercorns. And this 5-pound container was $32.98 online and $29.98 in the store. When I ordered it, I did not know that there was that price difference. If I did know of the $2, did notice that $2 price difference, I'd have waited till I was in the store to pick that up, because it's not a big deal. And I ended up paying $6.60 a pound, which is still a very good price compared to, you know, what you pay at Walmart or even at Sam's Club for a pound of ground pepper. And if I had gotten it in the store, it would have been 10% less, $6 a pound. So I will take this out, store this in jars, and then we'll just use this over the coming year. And of course I'll give some to my daughter as well. So that's it. That's what we prepped today. All this from Sam's Club, and free shipping, which you can't beat it. I love free shipping. So there we go. Let me know in the comments, what did you prep today? Let me know if you've ever put Ritz crackers in Mylar, and if they stay fresh, and for how long. Okay, thanks for watching. Be blessed.